Oil to inhale is Adaptiv. You do the same thing that we did earlier. You put a drop on your hand, you rub it together, you inhale for 4, exhale for 4, and then hold for 4. This is a great oil. It's a calming oil, but you can breathe in any oil you can diffuse. So breathe, which is great for opening up your airways. We have lavender, which is good for calming. It's also really good for sleep. We have balance. This is the grounding oil. So if you're feeling a little out of control, you can put Adaptiv and balance on your hands, breathe it in, and then take whatever's left over, rub it on your shoulders and neck. And tangerine. Breathe in any of the citrus oils to help boost mood. There are so many different oils that you can do so many different things with. If you want, you can breathe the oil in and then put it in your drink. It's amazing what oils can do for you and what they can do for the people around you. Have fun playing with your oils.